use force not only subject to the guidelines, but also we have to consider whether there are any other alternatives. That's why we will give them warning, they can retreat, and then after the warning, they're given time to comply with the police warning. So that the use of force, I can say that, is used in a situation that we have no other alternatives.
Okay, sorry, one follow-up question. So, I mean, it didn't seem to work. They're still out there. So, are you going to resign? Who's going to resign over this? You've lost the trust of the police, of the people.
So that's just why we hope that the people can cooperate with the police.
阿 Sir， 我想問下咧，其實你有冇設一個底線或者限期咧？因為而家始終啲示威者都未有一個跡象願意離去啦，有冇一個時間係你哋最快係幾時行動？同埋